Probably.
Then we're probably gonna go on a hike. Maybe stand under a waterfall.
What is it? What is it? Was it spiders?
Oh, snake, I'm sorry.
There's a snake? Jack, did you see it?
Yeah, it's a freaking
Hold on, slow down. Is it dead?
No, it's very much alive.
Green beans, pineapple. Bench kebabs.
I am home from work early. Woo woo woo! And Mom's the only one here. Look,
Surprise.
look what Myli made. Heart brownies. Cute. We'll be having those for dessert. But I think, what is the plan for today, Mom? The kids are all playing with friends. They'll be home for dinner at 5:30.
Then,
Mom's prepping stuff for barbecuing.
chicken, bacon,
Microwave's
pineapple.
going. Chicken, bacon, pineapple,
Chicken,
skewers
bacon, pineapple skewers on the barbecue.
on the barbecue. And then we're probably gonna go on a hike. Maybe stand under a waterfall. Maybe drone a little bit. That'd be awesome.
Maybe drone a lot.
Maybe drone a lot. So, we'll see what happens. Who knows? That's what we're gonna try and do. It's family night, so we're gonna try and get out and do stuff. So, good plan?
Yes, I like it.
Go fight, win. We're loaded up, and we're going up the canyon to go on a hike. We hope it doesn't rain on us.
Yeah. Like that. Okay. Okay. The good part where you got your hands all dirty.
Wow.
Let's go this way.
What way?
Maddie.
Maddie's got some
Maddie's gonna
calories to burn.
Oh yeah. Calories to burn.
Extra calories to burn. Sugar.
What is it? What is it? Was it spiders? Halle dropped her bottle down there. What was it?
Spider web. I walked right through it. Well, that was
You know what they say about spider webs? People think you're crazy when you walk into it. Oh, you're tearing it down?
Yeah, the water bottle's right there.
You're gonna try again?
Yeah.
She's gonna overcome her fear.
Her actual fear is snakes, but her second one is
I think she's got more fears than one. But she's overcoming them. Look,
water.
she's doing it.
Daddy.
She's overcome open water too. We went scuba dive or snorkeling in Hawaii out in the middle of the ocean, and she did it.
And
My mom.
cliff jumping in San Halle.
Ah, you okay?
Yes.
Yay! We did it! Crazy spider web. What is it?
Snake, I'm sorry.
There's a snake? Jack, did you see it?
Yeah, it's a freaking
Hold on, slow down. Is it dead?
No, it's very much alive. Did you go to step over?
Oh, he's little. Here, hold on. There he goes. He's gone.
But he was right there, and he moved into the middle of the trail. Mom was about to step on him, and she went, "Ah!" I thought it was a toy snake, so I wanted to step over it.
Mom.
And then it moved.
All your
Let's go back to
fears.
the van. I cannot do this today.
Spider webs, snakes.
This one from our backyard.
You're doing okay.
Come on, bro. Totally.
They just get bigger from here on forward.
You're funny.
Yay!
Maddie's braver than me.
Ready for a picture? Maddie's making faces. Okay, ready? She is laughing. Okay, we're on our way down. Who scored the poo? We smell it. Did you step on it, Myli?
I'm just muddy.
Christmas again?
More Christmas music.
What's in this drink? It's still July. It can still be Christmas in July, Dad. It still can be. Just embrace
Christmas in July. That's actually a song.
it. Is. Yeah. Mom was right. We got home just in time. It is raining. Yay! Water the grass. Water it.
Oh, yeah. Delightful. A fine strong wind and a following sea. King Triton must be a friendly Titan.
King Triton? Why, ruler of the Mer people.
She knows this whole movie. What you making for dinner, Mom?
I'm making barbecue chicken, bacon, pineapple kebabs.
Whoa. Should be pretty awesome, huh?
It should be
If it
delicious.
stops raining.
Right. Hey Jack, there might be something on your bed.
There might be some secret surprise on your bed.
Something on your bed. I don't think you do.
I guess.
I don't
Ooh,
think
pants.
you know.
That's a good guess. I bet you it's pants.
Do we have a secret yet? That's usually what she does. She
Go.
usually puts.
It's probably pants.
What? Yay!
Yay! What is it?
It's a magazine that hasn't come for like 4 months.
Yay! He's checked the mail forever, waiting for it to arrive, and it came today. Yay! He's excited. No, but pants wouldn't be a bad idea. He does need new pants.
Dinner is ready. Me too.
What is that? Green beans, pineapple.
Bench kebabs.
We paused the movie and sing along came on.
How was your dinner? Awesome. It was awesome.
And then the pineapple and the bacon.
And the chicken and everything. Okay, we are. Well, she is singing.
That was what Simon did in my class.
Okay. I am going to bed because I have to get up early for work tomorrow. The kids will stay up a little bit longer. But this is good night and goodbye until tomorrow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Way too close. Way too. Okay. Good night, you guys. Be the good. They're dancing. They're dancing. See you tomorrow.
Get that!
Wow.
What did you make?
I made I can't remember what it's
It's the masquerade mask.
Masquerade. And it's supposed to show our personalities. So mine is messed up and pretty.
Yours is crazy, sparkly, poofy balls.